into grasping the bird's tail after our second repulsed monkey as we come in to that first repulsed monkey as we just kind of step back with that left foot and we kind of watch that go, watching those hands. And as we bring that here, we're going to take that left hand and just ride that upper ramp, following that with the right, reaching up to grasp that bird's tail, turning those hands over, pulling those back, imagining they're coming to that hip, meeting here at the hip, and then pushing forwards, turning that chest, looking here to the left, pushing those hands forward, separating those hands, bringing those back to the top of the chest, rocking back, sliding those down about the belly button, and then raising up. That push, pull, redirect. And then we're going to swing those arms over. And we're going to drop that right hand down, grab that energy ball here on the left. And we're going to swing that up, following it with that left. Pull that back. And push, starting at that left hip. Bring those hands back to the top of the chest. Yep. And lift. Close that out. We're going to bring that back to center. We're going to drop those hands down. As you raise up heaven. And then push down on earth. So as you kind of that grasping the bird's tail, as we come in to that, we're going to have that energy ball here on that right side. So that left hand is just going to swing, palm facing the ceiling. It's going to come up imagining there's that bird's nest here. We're going to go up and grab that egg. So right hand is just going to follow it up that hill. So as we grasp that egg, just going to turn it over and pull it back to that right hip. From that right hip, we're going to cross those wrists, creating that X. So that right wrist is going to push the left wrist up the hill until they naturally separate. When they naturally separate, you're going to fly like Superman. And when you get up and pull those hands back, you'll be facing this way. You're going to pull those hands back, top of the chest. You're going to push down, dip, and then you're going to rise up, imagining that you're holding 2 cups of coffee or 2 cups, and then you stand up. So again, coming up, follow that up, turn those hands over, bring it back, push that left wrist with the right, pull that back, dip, and bringing that back in, just easing that in.